This 2022 Forest River Vengeance 371A13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, slide-out, TV, LP detector, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, skylight, refrigerator, spare tire kit, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Vengeance 371A13 is 12,764 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.